Hey my beautiful loves, it is Ashley Love here. I am super duper excited to be doing my first video in our new house. And it is Lip Monthly. I apologize, I haven't really been on here. There's been so many different things going on, y'all. Seriously. On just trying to get everything together and get situated. But I feel like things are truly coming together and just the way that they're supposed to. And I can't wait to be able to truly get back into doing my videos and my inspirational messages and doing more unboxings and hauls with all of you amazing people. And so today I'm going to be unboxing Lip Monthly. You get 4 to 5 full-size products every month, and it is $12.95. And this is actually my first Lip Monthly, so we'll see how I like it and if I'm going to keep it or not. I have literally heard some mixed reviews. So I have seen some people who truly love Lip Monthly and swear by it, like it's Ipsy. And then I see other people that are like, I don't know. So I will definitely let you know my opinion in this video. Also, my Ipsy has been sent to my old address, so you won't be seeing me do Ipsy for a minute, which I am so super disappointed because y'all, this month's bag is, I love the little eyes on it. It is beautiful. Y'all know I love, if you watch me, black and gold. And I'm just truly disappointed that I do not have Ipsy right now, but I will move past that and I will move on to Lip Monthly. And I like this bag. It's basically just a canvas bag with the fall colors. I do like that. And I will truly find some use for this bag. My girls absolutely love to steal my bags and take them to put their crayons and different things in it. So as I get more bags, I'm sure I'll be giving some to them. And I'm also going to start very soon. I've got some things put together now. I'm going to start doing giveaways every month. And so some of the products that either I have duplicates of or I end up getting and maybe it's not my tone or something that I would use, then I'll end up putting it in the giveaway so that I can end up getting y'all some cool things. All right, so let's dig in here. First we have the card for this month. It is Flawless. Flawless in the fall. The September 2018 bag is here. This month we have curated a bag that will help you flawlessly transition into the fall season. Show us your bag for a chance to be featured on our Instagram at Lip Monthly and enjoy your goodies. All right. The first thing we have in here is this Portland Bee Balm, supporting urban bees and their keepers. And it is simple, honest, and natural, handmade with love. And let's see how I can get this thing open. I do know that I watched someone else's, I can't remember who it is, YouTube, that actually had trouble with this, that it looked like it was kind of bitten off of or something. So let's see how this goes. Okay, mine looks full. It did have the seal all the way around it. And this is what it looks like. It has beeswax, virgin coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, and Oregon peppermint essential oil in it. Ooh, and it smells really good, y'all. I'm about to try it out. It definitely feels good on my lips, and I can definitely feel the peppermint as well. It is $2.99, and again, this is the Portland Bee Balm in Oregon Mint. And like I said, it's retails for $2.99. Okay, the next thing we have in this month's Lip Monthly is this Hikari lip crayon. It retails for $13. And let's see. So I'm just super excited. I was kind of nervous after I saw the video where this was kind of messed up, and so I'm very happy that mine came intact with the safety seal all the way around it. All right, this is what it looks like. Let me find out where I need to be. And this is again the Hikari lip crayon. Let's swatch it. Ooh, it goes on very, very, very softly. That's it right there. And that is a beautiful, beautiful fall color. I love the transition into fall. Y'all know, if you watch me, I absolutely love pinks and I love reds, but I also love the deeper colors that fall brings, as far as your more neutrals, your darker tones, your purples, your magentas. Okay, the next thing we have in here is a Steve Laurent lip gloss. And this is, it retails for $22. Woo! My bad. That kind of flew away from me. And this is what it looks like. Steve Laurent. This is it right here, the shade. It is a very light color. Let's swatch this. You have to kind of go over it a few times for it to actually coat, but that is it right there. And it is a pretty color. It is kind of light for me. I find that if I wear things that are too light, that it kind of makes me look like a ghost. I look kind of washed out. And so, but I will definitely try this and see how I like it. And the last thing is the Rosette Ultra Luxe Longwear Lip Pencil. And this retails for $19, and it is by Star Looks. That is it. And let's see the color, if I can get into this, because I very seldom edit my videos, so y'all just gonna have to kind of work with me. Is everybody back in school yet? I know my kids have been back in since like the middle of August, but I know a lot of other states ended up starting later. I'm just kind of glad back to school is over with, and we're moving on to the holidays, which is truly my favorite time of the year. What is your favorite time of the year? What is your favorite holiday? Post it below. Let's chit chat. I think I truly love from Thanksgiving to Christmas, because I love the family and getting together and truly enjoying one another. And so that's my favorite time of the year. All right, so this is what the Star Looks liner or lip pencil is. This is the color right here. And let me swatch that next to the others. And ooh, that is a beautiful, beautiful color. That's it right here. That is a beautiful, beautiful color. You know, I would even take this, honestly, and just do my lips with this pencil. Because I love the color that much. Matter of fact, that's what I'm going to do. Let me see. That is it on. And I do like that. Kind of fill in those areas. I do like that. All right, and so again, let's recap what I got in here. First, I got the Portland Bee Balm, the Steve Laurent lip gloss, the Starlux lip pencil, and the Hikari lip crayon. So all in all, I am pretty satisfied with this. I do like everything. I just wish this color was a little bit different as far as the lip gloss, because I'm a lip gloss girl. I love it. But all in all, I'm pretty satisfied with this month's Lip Monthly. So let me know your thoughts. Do you get Lip Monthly? What did you get in your bag? Was it the same as mine, or was it different? And what would you like to see in an upcoming Lip Monthly? What different products? Let me know your thoughts below. And if you're interested and you're not subscribed already to Lip Monthly, then I have the link below that you can end up subscribing, and there is a code for you to get 50% off your first bag, which is awesome. You can try it out. If you like it, keep it. If you don't, let it go. All right, so I hope you truly enjoyed this unboxing for Lip Monthly, and I will see y'all next time, hopefully, with my Ipsy, which I'm, again, still sad about. But with my Ipsy, or I've got a bunch of Pinch Me stuff coming. I've got a bunch of different samples, so I'm definitely going to do some mail hauls on here to where you can see some of the different samples that you can get through different companies, and ones that are still legit and up. I will link them as well in it to where you can go get your own. So I will see y'all next time. Y'all have a blessed and a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.